Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a yogurt mask because my hair needs some TLC. And like I said, it's wash day. It's been a minute. But I'm gonna show you how I go through the steps of making this mask. It's gonna be my first time making it. And the ingredients are pretty affordable, so that's great. Keep watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and comment if you want.
I've been waiting and anticipating, do you even know what I really want to do to you? Contemplating and relating, bodies associated. Falling and falling slow, falling and falling slow.
Okay, so I'm gonna show you the things that I have to make my mask. I have this bowl that I got from the beauty supply store. Of course, I have a spoon so I can mix everything up. I have this oil that I picked up at Walmart. You can also get it at the beauty supply store. I haven't used this oil in years, but I have had it before, but that was a really long time ago. And I have this Greek yogurt that I got at Walmart, and it was only like $4. Well, it was close to $4. It was like $3.87, I believe. So the first thing I am going to do is, of course, open my yogurt. The main reason I got the oil to go with it is to kind of mask the smell a little bit, because y'all know Greek yogurt got a bit of a tart to it. Yeah, it got a bit of a to it. I let mine stay out the refrigerator for a little while so it wouldn't be super duper cold on my hair, because I just don't want anything super duper cold. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Make sure you give it a nice stir, because it can be a bit messy. And I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. If I need to run out, I'll just make some more, because I have a whole container full of Greek yogurt. Oh, and make sure you get the plain. Get the plain. Don't get the one with the strawberries and vanilla and all that stuff. Just get the plain yogurt. Okay, the last thing I am going to add is the oil. This is the African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. See, got it in my bowl. I'm just gonna add about, well, I'm not gonna add too much. That should be enough. You don't need a lot at all. Just a couple of drops. Gonna mix it in. Oh, thought I made a mix. Just gonna mix it in. And I'm gonna mix it. I'm trying to mix it in so it's evenly distributed throughout the yogurt. Yeah, it masking the smell. It's definitely masking that smell. You can also use essential oils, but I'm gonna use my essential oils for my diffuser. I'm not gonna use it on my hair, so that's why I didn't use it. Well, I'm not using it. All right, that's mixed up pretty good. It smells like the oil now. I don't even smell the Greek yogurt. I gotta mix that pretty good. And now I'm about to split my hair into 4 parts and begin detangling and applying the mask. I also forgot to mention that I have my water bottle. Well, I bought a new one, but the things that are in it is just aloe vera water and a little bit of grapeseed oil. I stay finding a twist in my hair that I didn't unravel. Oh my goodness. This is one thing I do hate about doing mini twists sometimes. So, if you do mini twists, always check your hair before you detangle to make sure you don't have a old twist in it. Ooh. hope that's the only one. I think this one, or is that a curl? Oh no, that's just a curl. That's not my one. That's not a twist. Okay. Alright. I think I'm ready to. Oh, my hair is not as tangled as I thought it was. So that's good. That Shea Bay powder. That's good. Yeah, I don't think I've ever detangled my hair this fast after a twist out. Especially an old twist out. I think it's because the Shea Bay held so much moisture in my hair. I think that's why. Now that my hair is detangled, I can add my yolk. I'm starting to think that my hair did grow at least a little bit with the Shea Bay powder, because usually I think it stops like right here. I'm gonna have to go back and look like at old pictures and stuff, but I think it grew a little bit. Okay, I'm done and my hair is completely covered. I used pretty much everything in my bowl, and now I finally bought some more conditioning caps, so you go, girl. I'm gonna let this set for about 40 minutes, maybe an hour. It depends on, because I got more stuff to do. So I'll probably let it set an hour. I'm gonna come back and wash it out and show you the results. Alright, y'all, so I let my hair set for a little over 40 minutes, so it's about 45. And this is how it looks. Oh yeah, it feels good. Once I got some heat going, the heat from my head really helps a lot. As you can see. My curls are popping and my hair is super soft. I need to shampoo my hair, but I promise you I don't even want to at this point. I think I'm still shampooing. So this is how my hair looks once I wash the mask out. I love it, y'all. Y'all should definitely give this a try, and if you try it, let me know how it goes. So this brings me to the end of this tuned in. I really appreciate it. Make sure you go like this video, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. So stay tuned for my next video. Suggest my channel to some people. Get some more people in here so they can view this. Bye.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. Had me down the bottom every man. I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gems y'all need. I've been working.